use speed for their MCH preparation, be it any branch. So I subscribed for it. Then I watched video, and it felt actually very conceptual. So I built my concept on those videos, and then I used to read from the textbooks. So it all ultimately.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Akshay for scoring AML rank of 3 and CML rank of 2 in MCh Super Speciality of CTVS in NEET session November 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm grateful to all the faculty members.
Great to have you in the session today. And can we know your brief background of where you started till date, what all you have done?
I actually belong to Ahmedabad, Gujarat, sir. My schooling was here in Ahmedabad only, and I did my UG from BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. Then did my PG in General Surgery from AIMS, New Delhi. And now this session I gave an set for CTVS. I'm hoping to get in AIMS Delhi again for CTVS.
Great. Can we know why CTVS?
Actually, I was not so sure about super specialty branch till my second year, but during my super specialty rotations in second year, so I attended one CTVS OT, and there
Oh,
I
yes.
saw
What case it
the
was?
chest wide open and heart beating inside, and the surgeon operating on that. At that moment, I decided if anything I want in my life, this feelings.
Great to know. Great to know. Very good decision.
So then
And
I started reading about the history of CTVS and everything that very fascinated me then. So after my rotation onwards, I was pretty sure that I would take CTVS on.
very good. And superb and very good decision. And you'll never regret for this decision. And it's an amazing specialty.
Thank you so much, sir.
So can we know, once you decided that day to do CTVS, how did you start your preparation? What all you did to achieve this today?
Actually did not start preparation at the first when I decided CTVS because my general surgery was actually very hectic till my final exam itself. I did not get time for actually even to read for my professional exams also. So till then, I was reading general surgery only properly from Bailey and Subistan. Then I gave my third year MS exam, final exam. Then I started reading for CTVS actually after August 2025. So I mostly read books only, the CTVS book only, that is Johns Hopkins textbook of CTVS, and then watched videos of Dr. Arun Kumar, and then kept solving question banks. So it got me here.
Great. How you got introduced to speed and what is your experience with speed?
Speed, I got to know it from my seniors only, sir, the branch. They used to use speed for their MCH preparation, be it any branch. So I subscribed for it. Then I watched this Dr. Arun Kumar's video, and it felt actually very conceptual. So I built my concept on those videos, and then I used to read from the textbooks. So it all ultimately brought together.
Great. Now, can we know how many number of questions you attended in the exam?
79.
Okay, great. So maximum number of questions. And can we know about the paper? Can you share few inputs about the paper? What was the paper up to? What it was more concentrating on? And about also the interview next. What were they trying to ask you? And how you're able to get through that?
Yes, yes, definitely. Mostly, as expected, the questions were from city based only. Only around maybe 25 to 30 questions from general surgery. And city-based questions were, to the contrary of what I expected, they were pretty straightforward actually, not going into very details. It was from the videos and question banks only. Even the GT I gave it very much replicated the exam only. Uh, General surgery questions, I think they mostly ask from GI surgery actually, I mean from the gut part. And also for the CTVS particularly, they ask about history, and I was prepared for that. So there were three questions from history point of view. So that is all. Otherwise, all questions were straightforward only, and few questions were very factual. Unless I mean you deal with CTVS in your day-to-day life, you cannot get them right actually because the valve brand of valve questions and also we in the learning phase, preparation phase, we do not focus on those questions actually. We are still building concepts only, so those questions I got wrong.
Okay, good. Good to know. And what is that message that you want to give for the future aspirants of MCH CTVS?
So then my only message that needs to get there is there will be many people who will counsel against taking CTVS. Even if you even if you want to take CTVS as your super specialty, there will be many people. But those people have never experienced CTVS firsthand, sir.
Correct.
So if students are interested in CTVS, before they come to any conclusion, they should actually experience CTVS. And I'm sure if once they go into CTVS OT and see the surgeries being performed there, they will ignore every each and every point that those people are telling, negative stuff about the branch. So that's it, I guess. No doubts about CTVS branch while you are interested in it, actually.
Great, doctor. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You can use this platform to thank. They helped you to bring you till this date in your career.
First and foremost, sir, I want to thank my parents and family for their sacrifices. Then my teachers uh, during PG, I mean, Professor Ashuri Krishna, Professor P. Sinu, my general surgery teachers. They've taught me a lot about what surgery is and overall life lessons I have also learned from them. Then my friends, they have supported me in each and every state. So I'll particularly like to mention this Ashish is doing general surgery in PG and also took CTVS. So friends, family, and my teachers. That is.
Great. Once again, I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in cardiothoracic
Thank
and
you so much.
respiratory. And you will do
Thank,
amazingly well and you'll enjoy every day of your practice through learning and your practice. And it'll be a great
that's
career.
it. Thank you so much, sir.
Great.
Thank
All
you
the
so much.
best.
Thank you.